Hello, you beautiful people. How you all doing? This is Deepika Chakravarti, and welcome to another episode of Chai Pe Book Charcha, where we talk about a book over a cup of tea. And the book that I'm going to talk about today is a freshly brewed read by Prajakta Kohli, aka Mostly Sane, who's a YouTuber. You must be knowing about her. She's quite famous. And the name of the book is Too Good to Be True. Before starting with the review and everything, I would love to congratulate Prajakta on a very first book. The book became a bestseller the moment it was announced on Amazon, and of course, I was one of them to buy it. So this was the only reason because it had this bestseller tag on it. So that's why I thought, I have to buy it, I have to read it, what it is all about. And also because I've been following Prajakta for quite some long now, and I love her content. I like her goofiness. I like the way she speaks on camera. I felt the goofiness, the wittiness, everything. That is something I can find here. Also, the second thing that I bought it for was because this is a romance novel, and Prajakta has been talking a lot about all the novels that she's been reading lately, and most of them are romantic. I'm a big fan of romantic novel, and so of course that was one more reason for me to buy it. This book was delivered to me in January के आसपास कहीं पर mid of January something. So I read it because I was actually very excited to get it, and yeah, so this is the book. Let's talk about the book now. Okay, before that also, let's talk about the exterior of this book. The cover of the book is very pretty. The color combination, love the color template of this book, and also the cover tells a lot about what is within this book. This is one of those covers. I know we shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but of course covers are the first impression, and it's a pretty cover. So yeah, thumbs up to that. There's a bit of a synopsis of this book at the back. And on the first page of this book, there's a note from Prajakta saying the fact that you bought this copy without reading review on Amazon really shows how blind love can be. And love you too, love Prajakta, which is actually very cute. It gives a very personal touch to this book. So that is also a thumbs up thing for me. Now, talking about the book. So, the story revolves around a girl named Avni who is nerd, geeky, loves romantic novels, and is a lawyer in the making. She works in a bookshop which is owned by her friend's family because she loves reading, and also, this is a part time job for her. So, for her, her life is quite perfect. She has friends, she has few friends, three friends actually. Her social circle is quite close knit, and she has three friends who she shares everything with, and that is one thing that I loved about the dynamics between Avni and the friends. And then she has been brought up by her Aji. She has some issue about relationship, which stems from the fact that the parents and her relationship was kind of on a rough patch from the very beginning. So she has a lot of trust issue. Now this girl is beautiful, working in a bookshop, studying and everything. It's a very normal life she is leading. But suddenly there comes a man who is the perfect picture, the perfect description of the ideal or dream man that any girl might want. So this person comes into her life, and they get to know each other, and they start loving each other, and they fall in love with each other. Now this guy is too perfect, way too perfect. This rich, handsome brat, tall. Not that he's just exteriorly beautiful, but he also has a very beautiful heart. He treats her so well. They hardly have any fight, and he also treats other people around him so well. He's well to do, he is doing good with his life, and he is this tall, handsome person. So, the perfect picture of any man possible on this face of this earth. And he likes her. She also fall in love with him, but she keeps on looking for something to go wrong because she doesn't think that she deserves this perfectness, and she only thinks that this kind of perfectness can only be in novel, and no man could be this perfect. So she kept on waiting for something wrong to happen. During this whole relationship, she always had her guards up, and she always kept on waiting for something to go wrong. And this is what happened with most of us. Even while reading the book, while I was reading the description of this man, even I was of the opinion this cannot be a person for real. Now, what happens that while growing up, we see so much imperfection that we start believing that we don't stand a chance to get anything perfect in our life, even though we deserve the best. We've been told, we know that, yet we just don't believe this fact. So this is what life is all about in general also. So this story is all it's a very sweet love story. It's a very छोटू सा love story. uh, you know कोई complication नहीं है, very cute read. Also, the storyline is cute, and it has been written in such a way that you'll stay glued to the story. You can definitely see Prajakta's style of speaking, style of conversing, or style of projecting things in this book. This book has a lot of witty replies. I love that. The banters, the flirting and everything. It's absolutely mesmerizing. Although I think the flirting could be a bit better, but yeah, it's okay. I mean, this is actually something you would expect from Prajakta. And I mean, I love how she make her content. So I think this is the same reason I love this also. I realize it's one thing to know someone's pattern of writing. You might read a couple of book of by some author, and then that kind of you predict, okay, this kind of writing is this person's genre, and this person uh, would write this kind of thing as Savannah, if I make sense. But because I know we know Prajakta through all her videos and everything, after knowing a person then reading the book, I think that makes all the difference for me. It's a new experience also. I could picture Prajakta that, okay, this is the thing that Prajakta would be saying, this is the thing that Prajakta would be doing. So I mean, I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, so there's this wittiness and everything. So yeah, that is one thing that I loved about the book. One more thing that I love about the book is I like the conversational dialogue, the conversational story. I mean, there are a lot of conversation, and I like that. I love the dialogues and everything. तो मुझे वो चीज़ अच्छी लगी कि there are a lot of dialogue, there are a lot of conversation. The book has been mostly conversationalist as opposing to mostly descriptive. That is something that I loved. One thing that I didn't like, maybe I would say, is somewhere in the middle of the book, I kind of lost interest because I don't know, something was not clicking. It seemed something seemed off, but thankfully, the later half, last part of the story, the writer picked it up again, and again, I could feel everything, every emotion the character was going through. I could feel her emotion. I cried with the character. I was happy when she was happy. That is one thing I must say. It's a commendable thing when you start uh, feeling what the character is feeling. That is when you know that you have done a great job, and I think Prajakta has really done a great job there. The best part of the novel was the last sentence. I was like, this sentence was a mic drop sentence. I actually loved it. It was like, even though it was the last scene of the story, yet there was no dip of the energy. I loved the ending. So yeah, brownie points to that also. Overall, I actually enjoy reading this book. It's a very sweet book. कोई खलनायक वाली चीजें नहीं है. Nothing bad, nothing complex. It's a very sweet read. आपका perfect tea या coffee partner हो सकता है this book, and I give a 3.5 out of 5 to this book. You should definitely read it, an absolute thumbs up to this book. That was all for the video. Let me know if you liked the video. Also, if you have read this book, please let me know how did you like it, which part of the book did you like the most. Share it with me in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and family who want to read this book and want to know the review. Also, if you would like to see more of such content, kindly consider subscribing to my channel because it's absolutely free, and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video you get notified. With that, let's wrap up the video here. See you soon again with another book review. Until then, you all take care of yourself. Bye.